Oh,
Hello, welcome to my channel. I have a special guest again. It's Brianna. She was in my reaction to EXO's music video. You know, the one when they were in like the drapes and stuff. And it was a while ago, but yeah. So
face mask on.
yeah, she had the face mask on, which people said that did work as well. Someone commented they wanted her to watch like a few of the live stuff from them. So White Noise, Thunder, Playboy, and Artificial Love.
Playboy.
Yeah. Now I have seen this already. I was shook to the core, so let us see Rihanna.
Playboy.
Yeah. So here we go. I'm super excited. It's so good. Okay.
Playboy Bunny. Playboy Cardi.
Yeah. On the platform.
Okay. They did that with the stage. With the vocals.
I know, right? Well, on the platform?
Yes, while it's moving.
That probably would be most good.
You're just froze.
They are.
Okay, it's rising again. Alright. Oh, is that really water? Mm-hmm. Oh. We'll clean it out.
I think it's probably in like a, I don't think it's like, well maybe it is, I don't know.
I don't know, but that's still like, oh no, I guess it's not getting whether.
I don't think so. I think it's around
Because
that.
I would have slipped. There's some more stuff.
I can't tell.
Like, are they getting wet?
I don't know.
I think they're getting like the jump off things,
yeah.
like the sprinkle, the mist.
Yeah.
They snap though.
I know. So good.
Wrap it up.
That's my bias, Chanyeol. He is big.
I should have said that was your crush.
Oh, it's okay though. You wouldn't know that.
They're giving me Zayn.
I know.
Nope.
Yes, that. I think that's what they call. Is it head voice? I think. I'm not a singer. I don't know, but I think that's what they call it. Like when you go really high, and you hold it there. Okay. I'm sorry. That's Kai.
I'll say that's the one.
Yeah, I think
That's Mr. Fine up in there.
I know you like Kai. He is quite fine.
Why did I think the video was gonna go away?
And I know this change this one. Yeah, we got a little more to go. They're so cute.
They're screaming.
I know. so rude in this video. It just gets progressively ruder.
Sweating?
Yes. Oh my gosh. Woo, I'm sweating too. Woo! Computer. Don't do that, computer.
Wait a minute.
I will fight you.
Come on now.
That's the crazy thing too about Kai is that like off stage and interviews and stuff, he's just super shy. On stage,
It be like that.
it be like that. It do. Okay, it's fine. Everything is fine. Exhibit A.
I'm sorry.
Exhibit A. Like what? Did you have to snap? Okay.
So he's disrespectful.
Yes, pretty much.
And seeing that.
Yes, he's pretty rude.
Wow. You're raising.
You said what?
You're raising again.
Oh yeah, the platforms. Come on! This is gonna be editing so hard. I love Dio. The rudeness jumped out. Now this, let me just tell you something. This right here, legendary. Okay. Like, I don't even
We're not pulling
understand.
out props, are we?
Their choreographer snapped. Like, I just need to know who did the choreo because I personally like to thank them actually.
I would have been dropped that already.
I know, same. Me!
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, what?
I don't even listen to you. I came here to enjoy this video and you're being really rude. So, thanks.
Okay. No, the teamwork. God bless.
Okay.
I really can't. The screams are me. Screaming. That part, he really unbuttoned a button. When I watched this the first time, I thought that he just popped his collar. He really unbuttoned a whole entire button. Like this wasn't already intense enough. So rude.
Rewind.
Yes. This is Kai and Lay.
This is BDSM.
I know. I don't know, but I'm here for all of it. Oh, wow. This is really pissing me off. That's doing that. So what did you think about that?
They did that. They did that.
Yeah.
Presidents did that. Off topic, I like their microphones.
Oh cool. Yeah, like how it's so I don't have to worry about holding it.
Yeah. But then I thought about it, I was like, oh, because they have to dance.
Yeah, because
like,
that'd be really hard to
do. Never.
I know.
I mean, Liam was trying to.
I know,
but
yeah, because I've seen people perform like with microphones before, and I'm like, that must be really hard to like hold it and like have to like do the movements, but you're like, and I'm like, oh,
they just have all their free will.
Because
it's like.
Yes. I hope you guys enjoyed mostly her reactions. Like I said, I've seen it already, but I hope you enjoyed her reaction. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like me to show her from them. I think Kai is potentially her bias, so that's interesting.
What that means, but
it just means like
disrespectful.
It means that he's like, I mean, your like Harry would be your bias in One Direction, if that makes sense. Like your favorite kind of. Like even though you like all of them, like it's just the one person that you kind of connect with more, let you relate to.
I'm biased.
Yeah, kind of like that. Yeah. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you in my next reaction. Bye.
Bye.
반짝 짧게 빛났었던 행복 속에 취해 저 기억의 빛에 잠깐 눈이 멀었나 봐 갈 수 없는 그곳에 너는 이미 가 있어